Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a makeup kind of video. As you can see, I already got my base done. I did get a little tan. Well, you can't really see it, but I'm a little bit more tan than usual. So for me that's very excited. Today I have my last Kizomba class of the season, so I will do a little basic kind of look. So I got an email from someone who asked me to do a kind of smoky eye kind of look. I do love naturals, so I will try to create a kind of smoky eye, but then with more natural colors. So not that typical very dark-ish kind of colors. But first, before we start the video, I really want to give my boyfriend a very big shout out. He is so sweet. Jeffree Star launched a few bags and he bought me some. So first he got me this very cute fanny pack kind of bag. It's like a crossbody, so I'm very happy to get that, and it's so sweet of him. And I also got the black version, so yeah, I'm very excited for that. I also got some extra goodies, but I will show you that in a different kind of video. So it is like 30 degrees of Celsius here in the Netherlands, so it's very hot. But we are getting right into the video. So I will use a little fluffy brush and I will start by coating my entire eyelids, and I will do that with the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette with the color Wealthy. So top off the excess, of course. I'm not really good at doing makeup, but I really want to learn, and I am learning day by day. So every day I learn a little bit more, and I really like that. So let's get coating. So we coated the entire lid. So I will go in with Celebrity Skin in the crease. So Celebrity Skin is on, then I will continue to the Thirsty palette and I will go into Subtle right here with that same brush, and I will try to not get the entire palette into my face, so I'll do my best for that. Put it on the outer third and a little in the crease as well, just to darken it a little. is on as well. I will now go with a little bit of Drizzle, only for the outer third, so just to create that little bit of smokiness. And not too much, because it's a very pigmented palette. So I will also just get a little bit more smoky, like by just blending it a little bit out, like not very bad, but just a bit, just so you don't get like a really harsh line. And it's so weird because when I look in the mirror it's always better than when I look in the monitor, but I think that when I will put on some eyeliner and lashes, everything will come together in the end. So I have never tried to cut a crease before, so we're not going to do that today because I have appointments today and I don't think that I have time to do it over, so. Okay, so that is on. I will go in with a little bit of sugar cane in the blood sugar palette. It's like a really cute nude, and I will use the same brush. I usually use the same brush for everything. Yeah, and I will put that all over the lid just to try to make that a little bit lighter before I will put on some of the color. So now that is on. Usually with this kind of nude, brownish, natural colors, I will pop on like a shimmer, but then from Candy Floss, from the Blood Sugar, or a snatch from the Thirsty palette, or the Crystal Flash from the Blue Blood palette. But I want to have a little bit of color, so what am I going to do? I just want to put on like a greenish, bluish color, but it doesn't really fit this, I think. And I did say that I would do a smoky eye thingy, so I think I will just go with the Candy Floss in the inner corner, or the Cullinan. Why am I making this so hard for myself? Okay, I will get a little round with a round tip of brush, and I will put a little bit of Cullinan in the inner corner. Only just a little bit because it's very, very pigmented. It's shiny. So that is in there. Then I will get a little, like a very little flat brush to just pack on some of the Candy Floss. On the lid. I will check out if I can make this a little brighter by putting some spray on it. So let's try to get this more pigmented than it already is. Oh yes, way better. I don't know if you can see the difference, but it's way brighter right now. Also, I really cannot wait to get the how did he call it? The Jawbreaker collection. I ordered. What did I order? I wanted to order the white mirror. Sold out. I wanted to order the pink travel bag. Sold out. So that sucks, but still I did get like a part of what I wanted. So last but not least, I will go in with a little bit of Plunge, like the darkest shimmery color of the Pressed Pigment palette, of the Thirsty palette, just to only in the outer third. So I will blend that a bit. Yeah, I think it's really cute. So the eyeshadow is done. I will close all my palettes that I used. So those are going in the bag. And then I am going to use the Fenty eyeliner, which I also got from my sweet boyfriend. He bought me this when he was on holiday in Sweden, in Stockholm. So very sweet of him. I will put on some eyeliner, mascara and lashes on off camera, and I will be right back. So I'm back with a little bit of eyeliner, lashes and a nude lip, which is one of the colors I put in my eyes. So I went for the color Celebrity Skin. Yeah, it is in the Jeffree Star Cosmetics bundle. It's from the mini bundles, and it is from the Nude Volume 1. So yeah, this is the look complete. I will insert a little thing so you can see the eyes a bit more. So because I have very dark eyebrows, I never fill them in actually. If you think I should, let me know in the comments down below. I'm still new with makeup, so if you want to give me tips and tricks, just do that in the comments down below. I hope you all enjoyed the video as much as I did myself. Yeah, please comment down below of what you want to see next, what kind of look you want to see next, what kind of video you want to see next, and I will definitely try to just do that for you guys. So if you haven't done so yet, please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell notification down below so you don't miss one episode of what I post. So also, I hope you really liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up. It will really help my videos. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you next week with a brand new video. Bye guys!